What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title what we're going to be doing this video, but I wanted to address a couple things first. So what's been going on with Larry? Literally nothing. He's just been chilling here. Just haven't had any time to get together and film Larry content, honestly. It's usually something I need help with to get a good outside perspective, and that's definitely the case for the next video. But we're going to be having some good fun. That's why I put the mud graps back on there. The 22s, they are definitely going on Larry very soon. This is another video that I'm gonna need help filming. A lot of my friends are busy. Lauren's in school or college. The thing is, time is hard to come by these days, and so I'm able to film whenever I'm able to film, so that's really all I got. But they're definitely gonna be going on Larry, and they're gonna be freaking insane. Truck's still absolutely filthy from when me and Lauren took it mud the other day. I got my window, well, I was gonna say I got it fixed. I took it back apart, and it's just the window motor gets locked up. You can take it apart, bump it, it'll immediately start working again. So I don't know, I need to replace it at some point. I honestly was not gonna film it. I didn't film this, and I wasn't gonna share it, but I posted a picture on my Instagram. I finally got to fixing the back door on Larry's. First time it's been opened in like a year, and I had a ton of DMs saying, hey, can you show me how you fixed it? My door won't open. So I figured I'd go back through here, show y'all exactly how to do it as if it was still broken, show y'all what I did. It's basically free. How long what I did will last, I can't say for sure, but as of right now, it's working perfectly. So it's actually super easy to get this apart. So yeah, but I thought this was a big ordeal, and that's why I put it off for so long. And then finally last night, I spent like literally 20 minutes doing it, and it's working now. So let's get to it. So what you want to happen that won't happen is you go to grab this and your door won't open. It'll just like, this will just do like this and literally nothing will happen. We're gonna work on it just as if it wasn't working, just like I was last night. So literally all you're gonna need, 10 mil socket and a screwdriver. And it would probably be a good idea to also have a light. Flip that bad boy up, crawl up in here. All right, so let's start by taking the window latch. Toss my screws in there. And now that's literally all that's holding this on. Just grab it and pop it out. All right, there we go. Set this aside. Now, take that 10 mil, take this bad boy, take that nut off. Then you got two Phillips head, and this was a push pin. I broke it and forgot to put one back. And then this just lifts up, and this door trim is off. So this is what we're dealing with now, and all you want to do is peel this back to where you can get access in here. I'm trying to crawl up in here where I can show y'all. And this is, like I said, a free option. So usually free means who knows how long it'll last, but it's this little cable. It usually has a little black flange that would hold itself onto this latch. So when you do this, as you can see, without this zip tie on there and that little tab broken, it would just pull this whole thing down. So it wasn't holding this, which was then holding the wire or whatever that's inside of that, pulling the levers correctly. So that's why the handles were just free pulling. It was just pulling all this slack through there. So I tried zip tying it to this metal piece first. You might could put two on there really tight and hold it, but it was just slipping. So I just went ahead and did it straight to this bar, which that bar is the one that actually goes to out here. So I don't know if it's the smartest thing, but it's definitely, it's working. So that's the key thing. And it just zip tie it really tight onto here, and it works. So simple as that. I'll show it to y'all up in here. So there you go. Who knows how long this will last? If it'll break, I don't know. Especially if you don't put this 10 mil back really tight, all you'll need is a screwdriver and you can get this whole thing disassembled and then redo it if need be, like if you were stuck and had to have this door open and it broke or something. So super easy. So let's put this door back together. You good? All right, just like that. All done. What you gotta say, Huey?
Dad, that was so easy. You should have done that freaking months ago.
All right, guys, so hopefully now you'll go out there, fix your freaking truck. You've probably been putting it off just like myself, thinking it was gonna be some big ordeal, and it's a freaking literally like 10-minute job to fix that, which is just hilarious. But kind of sucks that it's a really common issue, but kind of awesome that it's a really easy thing to fix. Apparently there's some kind of cheap kit. Someone commented or sent me a DM and said there's like a $7 eBay kit or something to fix it, but they didn't use it and they ended up just zip tying it like I had. So I don't know if the little kit is better and it's a more permanent fix, or if it's a headache and there's a lot more to putting it on there or installing it. You got to maybe take that whole assembly apart or something. I don't really know. I just know zip tie worked. Larry's door is working, which makes me really happy. This truck needs an extreme detail because we just freaking wrecked it with a, I mean, well, those aren't that dirty. The back ones were what's really dirty. After this next video of us doing what we're gonna do, Larry is definitely gonna get a good, much needed and deserved spit shine. 22x12s, they are coming for sure to Larry very soon. Just gotta find time. Life is busy. So I see y'all in the comments, where's Larry? Where's the Larry content? Do this, that, and the other with Larry. I see that. Y'all need to keep commenting that because that makes me know, hey, they do still want to see Larry stuff, and that makes me come back and do all this kind of stuff. So yeah, anything you want to see with Larry, definitely comment down below and keep commenting it until I do it, because I'm always in my Silverado. I'm not in this very frequently, so I film a lot more and I'm able to with the other truck.
Dad, you know I'm camera shy. Get that thing out of my face.